Hey, what's up, everyone? Ready to unleash your flexibility in just 5 minutes? Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes. Whether you're stiff as a board or already pretty bendy, these simple, effective stretches will leave you feeling loose, refreshed, and unstoppable. Let's get into it. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more quick and powerful workouts and health tips. Let's grow together. 1. Cat-cow stretch. Alright, get down on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale deeply, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone like you're soaking in the sun. Now exhale slowly, round your back, tuck your chin and pelvis like a Halloween cat. Feel that incredible stretch through your spine. Wake it up and flow with your breath. 2. Forward fold. Stand up tall, feet hip-width apart. Hinge at your hips and slowly fold forward, reaching for your toes. Can't quite reach? No worries, bend those knees if you need to. Let your head hang heavy like a rag doll, and feel that sweet release through your hamstrings and lower back. Breathe into that stretch. 3. Low lunge. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge and drop your left knee to the ground. Keep your right knee stacked over your ankle and sink your hips down. Oh yeah, feel that amazing stretch in your hip flexors. Keep your chest lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Switch sides after 30 seconds. 4. Seated spinal twist. Take a seat and cross your right foot over your left thigh, planting that right foot flat on the ground. Sit up tall, place your right hand behind you, and twist your torso to the right, bringing your left elbow to your knee. Keep your spine long and breathe deeply. Feel that tension melt away. Switch sides. 5. Butterfly stretch. Time to open up those hips. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Hold your feet, sit up tall, and gently press your knees toward the ground. Feel that juicy inner thigh stretch. Let's get that openness going. 6. Child's pose. It's chill time. Kneel on the ground, sit your hips back onto your heels, and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest to the floor. Rest your forehead down and take deep, calming breaths. This one's pure bliss. Enjoy every second. 7. Standing side stretch. Stand strong, feet grounded. Reach your right arm up and over, leaning your body to the left. Feel that delicious stretch through your side body. Keep your core engaged and your chest open. Switch sides and stretch it out. 8. Cobra stretch. Time to open up that front body. Lie on your stomach, hands under your shoulders. Gently push your chest up, keeping your hips and legs relaxed on the ground. Keep your elbows soft and shoulders away from your ears. Feel that amazing stretch through your abs and lower back. 9. Figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and cross your right ankle over your left knee. Grab behind your left thigh and pull your legs toward your chest. Hello, glutes and hips. Feel that deep stretch and keep breathing. Switch sides and keep it going. 10. Neck stretch. Finally, let's ease that neck tension. Sit or stand tall, relax your shoulders. Gently tilt your head toward your right shoulder, bringing your ear closer without lifting that shoulder. Feel the stretch and breathe deeply. Switch sides and let the stress fade away. And just like that, you did it. 5 minutes. And your body is already thanking you. Flexibility isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Keep showing up and you'll see amazing results. If you felt that stretch, hit that thumbs up and share this with a friend who needs a little extra flexibility in their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and effective fitness videos. See you next time. Stay strong, stay flexible, and stay you.